Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th September 2024. Audit firm MSKA Associates has resigned as Byju statutory auditor, citing uncooperative management and suspicious transactions involving a Dubai-based reseller. This resignation affects the audit for financial year 23 accounts and follows Deloitte Haskins Sells' exit in 2022. The firm reported difficulties in obtaining necessary information and raised concerns over Byju's financial stability. In the resignation letter, the auditor also cited a suspicious transaction related to Dubai-based reseller More Ideas General Trading LLC that had been reported to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs on September 2nd. This involves recovery of about Rs 1,400 crore from the reseller. Quick commerce firm Zepto, which raised nearly $1 billion from private investors over the past 2 months, has begun active discussions with top Wall Street bankers including Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs for an initial public offering. The Mumbai-based startup is also learned to be talking to domestic investment banks for the potential listing of shares by August next year. However, the IPO plan will be contingent on its flip back to India. Zepto is in the process of shifting its domicile from Singapore to India, joining a large group of Indian startups which have flipped back recently. Eyeing benefits from digital banking, banks are now looking at building Unified Recovery Interface or UPI for enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and getting good prices for properties of defaulters. This would be managed by PSB Alliance Limited, a company set up by all public sector banks in the country. This will give comfort to bankers that when they lend this, the process will run for the recovery also, so there may not be many challenges in collection management. This will bring down the collection costs. It could be the coming of age for India in the global semiconductor field. With new projects being announced, under discussion, and even cleared this week, India, according to industry estimates, could see an investment of around $30 billion in this space in the next 2 to 4 years. Of this, 60% has been cleared by the Union Cabinet. Reliance Retail, the country's largest organized retailer, has not given up on its quick commerce ambitions despite facing initial hiccups in the segment. The retailer, which has a network of nearly 19,000 stores in the country, has begun trial or pilot runs of 30-minute delivery services under JioMart in key cities within states such as Maharashtra and Karnataka. This is part of a larger game plan to re-enter the quick commerce or hyper-local delivery services market. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.